Welcome to SimplifyQA. Today we're creating our first automated web test case from start to finish using our no-code, low-code automation platform designed for simplicity, speed, and precision. Let's begin by launching SimplifyQA. From the dashboard, click the record icon, select Web as your technology, and fill in the essential details, the test case name, the application URL, and your preferred browser. Once recording starts, SimplifyQA captures every move from login to every precise click. All right, so now we're inside the Hire 3X platform. You'll notice these blue boxes popping up. That's how we know SimplifyQA is actively recording our actions. Next, let's head to the question bank drop-down and click on Add Question. Here, you can pick what kind of question you want to create, set marks, pick the difficulty, and fill in the question with the correct answer. Once you're done, just hit Add button, and that's it. While recording, you can also add validations quickly by pressing the Shift key twice. This way, you can quickly validate elements or messages as you go without interrupting your recording or touching any code. Now, let's go back and take a look at how our steps have been recorded. You'll see each action listed clearly, so you can review, edit, or reorder them if needed. You can also save your test case under a specific module or submodule, which helps keep everything well organized and easy to manage. Now, with SimplifyQA, you can turn any repeated steps into a function. Just select the steps and click Create Function. This helps you reuse the same logic later, saving time and effort in your workflow. From here, you can reuse this function across multiple scenarios to save time. Now, here's something really helpful. You can also add screenshots to your test cases. This makes each step clearer and visually easier to understand. You can even skip non-critical steps if you want a shorter, more focused report. SimplifyQA lets you customize freely and auto-captures object locators, keeping your tests stable and reusable through every UI change. Now that our test case is saved, let's go ahead and run it to see how the execution works in action. SimplifyQA executes each step in real time. You'll be able to watch the flow, verify the results, and ensure everything works exactly as expected, all without writing a single line of code. You can also view the execution reports by clicking on the reports icon, access detailed logs for each step, and view screenshots wherever they've been enabled. And there you go, your first automation test case, created with SimplifyQA. SimplifyQA makes web automation effortless. No coding, no complexity, just results. Stick around, because we'll be diving into more cool features next.